Hi there, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps, and today I'm going to be demoing one of our new stamps, that's Oona. So starting with the colour box, this is our Jade, which is a lovely colour, and of course using our gel press, I'm just going to transfer that ink straight over onto the gel press. Lovely vibrant colour, that's all we need. And then taking our fan brush, I'm going to be using some Sunburst Yellow. This is our Brushos watered down, and now I'm just sprinkling that with the fan brush straight over the top, like so. And now I'm going to be using a little bit of the purple, and some rose red. And let's see what this comes out like. Okay, so this is our multi-fairies card. I'm going to pop that down over the top, smooth over. Wow, there we go. Look at those colours, aren't they just amazing? Beautiful. Okay, that's our background created that quick. This is why I love this technique so much, because it's so quick and easy. I'm just going to trim this down now. Okay, so all trimmed down and ready to go. I'm going to use our branch stamp here. So inking up, this time in the twilight. And I'm going to pop that down just about there. Give that a good press. Lift off. And now our lovely new fairy, this is Oona. I'm going to ink up this time in the Nocturne. This is a lovely, delicate little fairy. It took us a while to get all the detail, but we got there in the end. So she is lovely. Okay, so I'm going to pop her down now. Just about see where I'm putting her, just on that branch there. So give that a good press. Let it rest for a while over the top of those fabulous Brushos. And then there we go. So she's just perched on the end there, watching out for something. Okay, so I'm going to grab a piece of acetate. This is just a round piece of acetate. And I'm going to put her now in the moon. This will be a good focal point now. So taking one of our smoothies, and this is Glamorous in our VersaFine Clear, and I'm going to just pop a bit on. Give it a test first, make sure you haven't got too much on, and then we're going to work our way around the edge like so. Just build up a bit of depth all the way around, and hopefully this will make that image really pop. There we go. Lovely. Right then, I'm going to now go around the edge of the card using the same colour. This is Glamorous, all the way around. Lovely bright colour. Okay. And now I think I'm going to pop some words on here. So we're just going to grab our block, pop the words. You can use any words. This is just a verse, one of our verses about fairies. So I'm going to ink up in the twilight. I'm going to just take a little off so it's not too dark, and just bob that down. And you can see what a difference just that little bit of writing makes at the edges. It kind of distresses the edge of the card. Okay. So picking up the twilight again, I'm just going to bring a little bit of that colour in as well, just on the edge. Okay, now we've got a little mini stamp here. This is a little leaf stamp. So I'm going to ink up in, colour shall we have? We'll go with the Fantasia. And I'm just going to pop a few of the leaves on here. Like so. I'll do one more. There we go. In fact, I might just put a little down the edge here as well. That's better. Okay. So taking our jelly roll, this is our glitter one. I'm just going to go over the wings now, just to give a little bit of a sparkle. This is a great pen for wings. Because it's transparent, it means that you can still see the image through the glitter. And now I'm just going to go around the edge of the moon. This will make it stand out even more. There we go. And we'll do a little bit of edging. Where the light will catch just the edge of the branch. Like so. Okay. I think we're going to finish that off now using a little bit of the metallic sprinklets. So I've just added that to a little bit of water, and it gives us a real fabulous metallic sort of paint. But if we keep adding a bit of water to it, we can then just start spattering that down over the top. And this looks fab. Gives it a real rustic finish. Okay, so you can let that dry naturally, or I'll just turn it upside down, print that off, and you can see how fabulous that dries. See that metallic finish? I hope you can see that under the camera. When it dries, it will be beautiful. Okay, well, that's what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed watching the demo, and I'll see you next time. Thanks guys, bye for now.